Let's take a look at how we can find the centroid of a triangle with vertices at these points. To get started, we could plot those points. So we have one vertex at 0, 3 up here on the y-axis. We have a vertex at 2, 5, somewhere around there, and 4, 1. Connecting those sides in our freehand sketch here. They're not super pretty, but we can get a sense of what the triangle looks like. Now, recall that the centroid is where the medians intersect. So, probably the simplest way to find the centroid is to plot two of the medians and see where they cross. Now, you may recall that medians connect the midpoint of one side to the opposite vertex. Since we have coordinates, we can use those coordinates to find midpoints. The coordinate here we just said is 0, 3, and up here we have 2, 5. So the midpoint is going to be the average of those coordinates. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2 is going to give us the x-coordinate of 1 for the midpoint, and 3 plus 5 divided by 2 gives us an x-coordinate of 4. So the midpoint of this side has coordinates 1, 4. And then the median connects that to the opposite side. In a similar way, taking our third vertex here with coordinates of 4, 1, we can find the median of, let's say, this side by taking 0 plus 4 divided by 2 and 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Both of those give us values of 2, and so the median here is 2, 2. The opposite vertex is at 2, 5, so we get a vertical line, which is kind of nice, because that tells us, since we have a vertical line here for one of our medians, that tells us that the centroid is going to have an x-coordinate of 2. So to finish the problem and find the centroid, to find the coordinates of the centroid, we need to locate this intersection point, because that's the centroid. Since one of the medians is vertical, like I said a moment ago, the x-coordinate has to equal 2. The other median sort of slants downward here. We know the coordinates at both of its endpoints, so we can use those to identify the slope of the red median. 4 minus 1 over 1 minus 4, taking the y-coordinates over the x-coordinates, we get 3 divided by negative 3, so the slope is negative 1, which means that starting from here at 1, 4, if I move over 1 unit to 2, I need to move down 1, and so the coordinates of our centroid are x equals 2, y equals 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.